Hello, we are BirdAI. I am Xayavong. I am turning 14 this year, and I love cats.
I'm Will. I'll be turning 15 tomorrow. I enjoy D&D.
I'm Sasha. I turn 14 tomorrow, and I run.
I'm Devansh, and I'm 12, and I like to play chess.
Imagine you just spent 16 days on your phone and your MOM finally kicked in your door and told you to go touch grass. So you go outside and bend over to begin the grass touching ritual when you suddenly see the most crustiest, dustiest.
Wait, I just realized. Sorry, was I not sharing computer sound?
No, we can hear it perfectly.
We can hear.
Oh, wait, sorry.
Most atrocious bird you ever seen. You went, damn, that's an ugly odd bird. I need to know what that is. Well, that's where our AI comes in handy. All you have to do is take a picture of the bird that's ending your very short period away from your phone and upload it to our website that can recognize 0.24% of bird species. And all this can be done while simultaneously touching grass.
BirdAI is the number 10 top bird recognition AI.
Use BirdAI bestie.
So,
Imagine you just
some challenges that we had to face was ChatGPT not working right. It's totally the machine's fault. Bad spelling, getting sidetracked. Yes, we haven't solved that yet. I don't think we ever will, but at least we know our villain origin story and who will die in Big Hero 6. Definitely will. Mislabeling our images, not communicating or miscommunicating, Will not getting enough coffee or too much coffee, and sleepiness getting the best of us. This is how we fix our challenges.
Expectations. Our goal was to create an AI that can recognize pictures of birds in the wild. So let's say you're walking around, you see a bird that you're unable to recognize, then you will be able to find out what it is when you upload a photo of the bird to our website, and we were hoping for it to maybe spit out an article about the bird. Although, if I remember right, we have failed at that final part there. The 12 species that we can currently identify with our AI are the Andean cock of the rock, the snowy owl, the golden pheasant, pigeon, bearded vulture, puffin, vulturine guinea fowl, brown-headed cowbird, red-tailed hawk, common kingfisher, common yellowthroat, and the tufted titmouse.
So the results were, sadly, we weren't able to do everything we were planning to do because the amount of time and experience we had, very little. But in the end, BirdAI has 97% accuracy when it comes to the birds we've trained it to recognize, and we have a good website that's basically our group in a nutshell. So, yay. As our AI is incredibly accurate and precise, as you can see below, like it recognizes stuff so well. Yeah.
Image stats. So the total number of images that we put in was 985. The average amount was 87.09%. The highest was 119, which was the golden pheasant. The lowest was 70 images, which was the vulturine guinea fowl. We had to discard 328, and the total data used was 496.4 megabytes. As you can see on the Oh yeah, also on the left you can see how many images we put for each bird.
I'll just show you a quick little run through of our website. Okay, so I'll show you what will happen if you put in a actual image of a bird. So usually it's not this slow, but okay, results. And your bird is a tufted titmouse. Thank you for using BirdAI. And this is how it'll look if you put in an image that is not a bird. Results. This is either not a bird or a bird I not recognize. Thank you for using BirdAI. And obviously you can see this is not a bird. Thank you for listening to us, and hopefully you'll want to learn more about BirdAI.